Okay everybody, I'm going to show you how to swap your tires on a BMW E90. So first things first, you're going to need a jack, something safe. I use one of these pucks. I'll have a link on Amazon. Literally best investment ever. This is a great tool, as you'll see in a moment, because it connects underneath the car. You're going to need a breaker bar and a 17 mil deep socket. This is a 600 millimeter breaker bar, 1/2 inch with a 1/2 inch head, and then of course a jack stand. You'll need a torque wrench for torquing everything down, and these are pretty handy for mounting the wheels. So let's get started. So first things first, what you want to do is put the parking brake on, block off the wheels, and just loosen these with the breaker bar. Just a 1/4 turn, make sure they're loose, and I'll do that to the front right now. Then let's jack up the car. I like to jack it up in the back because it lifts both the front and rear tires. So slide this in to the right spot. As you can see here, this puck will fit right into your jacking point, or at least close enough. So just jack this up a bit. And then it makes for a nice, safe mounting point. Just jiggle it around, make sure it fits, and then you can jack up the car. And just double check that everything is good under there. It looks fine. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's on the mounting pad, and away we go. And I can see the back tire is up, and the front tire is now up. And let's put a jack stand under here if you can. If you can't yet, just jack up the car a bit higher and put that under there. Right here. See what I mean? You can even lower it onto there if you want. And now I have an impact that I'm going to use with my 17 mil. I use my impact to zip these off. Now you may have to kick, sometimes I kick here or kick here just to loosen it, but I just had my wheels off, so they come off nice and easy. Okay, so then I use this handy dandy little tool that just threads into here. Allows us to put our wheel on quite a bit easier. All the links for this stuff for Amazon are below, and then we can mount the tire. You should double check the way you're mounting the tire. This is a Pirelli Cinturato all season SF3. As you can see, it's directional, so it can only go on the right side of the car, but we can rotate them front to back, which is nice because they're all the same size. That's another thing. If you guys want a good winter tire, get like a pair of 17s like this. These are my winter rims, and you can get the same size. These are 225/45 R17. Same size wheels so that you can rotate them front to back, and over time you'll save a bit of money. Oh, that's not good. As long as your alignment is good, you'll save a bit of money on buying new tires because you can rotate them front to back. The backs, so here you want to gently, just super gently get it on there. I'm not even torquing them down yet, just getting them situated like that. And what we want to do is do a crisscross pattern. And shake the wheel a bit. And where's the last one? Oh, it's right here. You do not want to cross thread your your bolts, and I just put some tighten them down like that. Before you do that, before you put your tires on, just inspect the sidewall for any cracking. Inspect the tread for any cracking, especially on the inner side. I had a large crack in one of mine that I was totally unaware of because it was on the inside. I was always looking on the outside. So just check your tread. These are brand new. They just came from the tire shop, so I think they're all right. And then you mount them, so I'll show you here in a second, and check the tire pressure. On a BMW, I think it's 2.2 bar in the front, 2.4 in the rear, or something like that. Or maybe you could run 2.4 all around. It depends on the tire size. If you have the larger 255 in the rear, which I run on my summer tires, it would be 2.4 in the front and 2.7 in the rear, I believe. And you'll be able to check that right here in your door jamb if you pause the video and take a look at that. So here we're going to torque down our wheels. You need to torque them to 120 Newton meters on your torque wrench, and just go around in a crisscross fashion. I've already tightened these up, but just crisscross. Let's check all of them again. With a 17mm deep socket, and we're good to go. So if you guys found that useful, super quick tech tip video, no nonsense, give the video a thumbs up so that other people can see this, and don't forget to subscribe or check out my other videos for more basic maintenance like this. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to check out my other video tutorials on my channel. If any of these videos were helpful to you, consider dropping a like and sharing these videos on social media to help other BMW owners save money fixing their cars. See you guys in the next video.